All right, so the first phase of operation to in fact transport the vaccine to various cities in the country, Covishield, in fact, Serum Institute has confirmed to India today that out of the 13 places it was supposed to go, it has already been transported to 10 of those 13 places today itself. Remember, the big vaccination drive is going to begin on 16th. So today has been a momentous day as far as India's entire operation to get the vaccine process started in the country is concerned. In the first batch, in fact, of the Covishield vaccine from the Serum Institute in Pune, as I told you, arrived at 10 cities. The very first lot of the Covishield vaccines touched down at Delhi airport at 10 a.m. and was taken to the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital for storage. 264,000 doses of the COVID vaccine arrived in 22 boxes in the national capital. 34 boxes of the vaccine have arrived. In the first phase, the center placed an order of 1 crore 11 lakh Covishield doses from Serum Institute worth 231 crore rupees and another 55 lakh Covaxin jab of the Bharat Biotech at the cost of 162 crore at rupees 295 a shot. According to the sources in the government of India, the government is committed to buy another 4.5 crore doses of Covishield. The center is bearing the full cost of vaccinating 3 crore health workers and frontline workers.
देश भर में 54,72,000 डोजेज ऑलरेडी जो पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको बताए वहां रिसीव हो गई हैं और 100% डोजेज 14 जनवरी 2021 तक रिसीव हो जाएंगी. व्हेन आई से 100%, उसका अर्थ है 1 करोड़ 10 लाख डोजेज जो कि SII से आएंगी और 55 लाख डोजेज जो कि भारत बायोटेक लिमिटेड से आएंगी.
We believe it is very much in our grasp to mount a great program, the world's largest vaccination program eventually, as we build it up over months to come. And the beginning of that, we believe, would be very robust, very smooth, with the full cooperation of people, the state governments, and all of you.
Let's take a look at the ground reports from certain cities where the vaccine arrived. Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, many cities today received the vaccine.
These are boxes at this point being taken out by tight security personnel that have been deployed by the hospital authorities. These are the boxes of the silver bullet that will help end the pandemic. This is the first consignment that the state of Delhi was waiting for. As you can see in images now, slowly and steadily, each and every box is being taken out of the truck and being placed inside of cold storage facility points that have been created for these vaccines. There are hospital officials and ministry officials of the health department that are also clapping there in cheer and glee as the boxes that they have been waiting for have arrived since morning. There was a message that have been sent out that yes, Delhi will also receive its vaccines. We've been told that there are about 12,000 doses in one such box. 12,000 doses in one box and 22 boxes right now just for Delhi. There's a cordon of security personnel that has been deployed because not only are these vaccines important, they're very precious, they have to be saved from pilferages, they have to be protected, so they will be put in this cold storage facility before the D-Day, that is 16 January, when they will once again be transported from here to about 89 locations, if I can talk about Delhi, to vaccinate about more than 6 lakh healthcare and frontline workers there.
The first batch of vaccines have arrived at Chennai, and from airport it just took not more than 20 minutes to reach DMS at Chennai. So just like the health secretary earlier mentioned, this batch is not going to a national depot but to state depots only, and from there it is going to be taken to regional depots and directly to the vaccine centers itself, all as a move to save time, which could be actually spent on transportation. These are the vaccine crates that you could see. The health secretary mentioned that 5,56,500 vaccines have come here, of which 20,000 are from Bharat Biotech, and the rest 5,36,000 plus are from Serum Institute Pune. So in these cold rooms, these vaccines are going to be stored until 16th, and from there it's going to be transported to various locations. Even before 16th, it will be reaching various spots, and the vaccination drive will begin in Tamil Nadu. With video journalist Sukumar, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं अहमदाबाद के रीजनल वैक्सीन सेंटर पर और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये बड़ा सा एक वॉकिंग कूलर है जिसके अंदर ये पूरी वैक्सीन को रखा गया है, जो पूरा स्टॉक आया है, क्योंकि यहाँ से अहमदाबाद से अलग अलग 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये सप्लाई किया जाएगा और ये पूरा वॉकिंग कूलर है जिसके अंदर कोविड की वैक्सीन है। आपको वॉकिंग कूलर में लेके चलते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरा एक वॉकिंग कूलर है जिसके अंदर कोविड की वैक्सीन को रखा गया है। यहाँ पे जो टेम्परेचर है करीब 2 डिग्री से लेके 8 डिग्री तक का ये पूरा टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे मेंटेन किया जा रहा है। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये जो वैक्सीन है, वैक्सीन के इसी तरीके के ये डोज है जो अब 16 तारीख को हेल्थ वर्कर है उनको दिए जाएंगे और यही वैक्सीन को जो अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल है वहाँ पे पहुँचाया जाएगा, एक कोल्ड चेन बना के पहुँचाया जाएगा।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.